I am Tina from Gold East, and it is my great honor to introduce our company and our products to you all. Gold East is a professional factory devoted to the development and production of, Copier consumables. Produce and supply all the consumables of different photocopiers, such as also have other consumables such as and there we also have, as you can see, the cartridges and these electron units and our laser machine guns.
天津的长期别也没有的一些单品可以卖高价，是吧？独家买卖可以卖高价。
And others. In fact, if our customers tell me what they want, and we can develop and give customers what they want exactly. Because our company is actually a factory, we have one factory. Ourselves is a factory. Our factory is in the Tang, Zhongshan City, not far away from the exhibition center. If by car, about 30 minutes. I always believe the market of our consumables of copiers, printers, and also multifunction printers are very potential. And we still have much more things to do.
For Remax World, this exhibition?
Remax exhibitions are our routine every year. That means we have very good cooperations with the Remax companies. And we have participated almost every event around the world with Remax companies. We believe Indian market is quite potential, and we are trying our best to have more and more Indian cooperators. I should say it is more or less a business secret. If any people or any new friends want to know more, you can contact me or my colleague of Gold East International Company Limited. I should say all the industry, because our industry is definitely consumables of copiers, printers, and multifunction printers. The industry has evolved with the development of new machines. That means our industry has always been changing and updating. My first message is just welcome my old friends and new friends. When you see the video for Gold East International Company Limited, you are welcome to our Gold East company, to our factory, to our Zhongshan City, or to the city of Remax, Zhuhai City here.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.